Hi, welcome to my eMath online classes. In this video, we are discussing the topic trigonometry, and this question is from academy textbook for the states Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Take a look at the question, and this is for 7 marks purpose. Cos 2a minus cos 2b plus cos 2c, okay, is equal to 1 minus 4 sin a cos b sin c. Take LHS for getting solution of this question. The LHS is cos 2a minus cos 2b plus cos 2c. First of all, use the formula cos c minus cos d here. Cos c minus cos d means minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, where c stands for 2a and d stands for 2b. So this is c and this is d. Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, 2a plus 2b by 2, and sin c minus d by 2, 2a minus 2b by 2, plus cos 2c. Keep this same. Take a look at here. 2 is a common factor for both of these terms. So take out that 2 as a common factor. 2 of a plus b by 2, 2 cancel. And here also sin of c minus d by 2, 2 is a common factor. So 2 of a minus b whole divided by 2, 2 cancel. Keep that cos 2c same. Now we have minus 2 sin of a plus b and sin of a minus b and cos 2c. Now in triangle a plus b plus c is equal to 180, a plus b equal to 180 minus c. Apply sin on both of the sides. Sin of a plus b equals sin of 180 minus c. 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant, the trigonometric function sin is a positive, because in second quadrant sine and cosecant are positive. Whenever 180 or pi occurs, we have same trigonometric function. There is no change in it. So sine comes as it is. So sin c. Now replace sin of a plus b with sin c here. Okay, keep the next term same and next term cos 2c same. Now minus 2 sin c and sin of a minus b same. For cos 2c we have to use the formula cos 2 theta in terms of sin theta. So we have a formula for that, that is cos 2 theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square c. 1 minus 2 sin square c. Okay. So write the 1 as a first term. Later adjust the terms minus 2 sin c into sin of a minus b and minus 2 sin square c. This is equal to 1 minus, observe the two terms. They have common factor minus 2 sin c. So take as a common factor, we have sin of a minus b and plus sin c, because sin square c has 2 sines in it, 2 sin c's in it, sin c into sin c. So we have sin c, and already we did here. Look at here, sin c means we can write sin of a plus b. So next step, write down minus 1 minus 2 sin c of sin of a minus b plus sin c means sine of a plus b. Sine of a plus b. And we have formula for it. Sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b is 2 sine a cos b. So write down same the results, same results. I am mentioning the formula here. Sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b is 2 sine a cos b. 2 sine a cos b. Okay. Write down 2 sine a cos b. Now this is the last step. 1 minus 2 2s are 4 sine a cos b and sine c, which is right hand side. So hence it is the problem. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, give a like. If you have any doubts, please use a comment section. As early as possible, I will answer your questions. You can also use the WhatsApp service. My WhatsApp number is 7032507699. You can also find it is in the description. Give a like, share my video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.